Hi, and welcome to Voice with Julia and day 106 of our Marchesi Vocal Challenge. Today we are continuing with our triplets with exercise 155.
Voice with Julia, change your voice, change your life.
So on exercise 155, instead of going up with the triplet da da da, we're actually going down da da da. And what's interesting, also note the accidentals that come up, okay? So we have this version da 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 da. Now listen, da 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 da, right? Da 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 da. That's not an accidental. Da 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 da. There's another accidental. Okay, so here's what's funny. I really don't understand why the accidentals are there. I don't get it. I think, do you remember way back when we were doing our coloratura exercises and I kept wanting to go to a chromatic instead of the actual like whole tone diatonic note? I think it has something to do with that. I really do, because I used to want to go da da da, but it's da 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 was the former one, and now she's writing in the C sharp. So I feel like she's kind of playing into natural reflex there. I really don't have an explanation. Just note it and make sure it doesn't slip past your awareness. Okay, and here is exercise 155. So what I notice with that would probably take a little bit of work for me to get that kind of fast. Let's try that a little bit faster. Well, never mind my terrible keyboard skills there. I'm playing on an iPad, so my finger's missing. But you can hear that is actually not so bad. Okay, so after you do it slow, try it fast. Now, if you notice that you're trying to micromanage the pitches, I didn't really do that on this one. I just kind of went. I just did it. So why don't you try to see if you can just do it without any feeling of micromanaging, okay? If you do, slow it down again.